Aloe vera contains hormones and plant steroids that promote root growth, so I will put the aloe vera in the ground to germinate the seeds. If you want healthy young plants when planting, you need strong seeds, so I choose old tomatoes with strong seeds to grow young plants. After sowing the seeds, I will spray a layer of water on the ground. I use some pre-cut cans to grow tomatoes. I took a soda bottle, punched holes, and attached a wick to water the plants. To grow plants better, the soil must be loose and rich in nutrients, so I mix rice husks and worm castings into the soil to help the plants absorb nutrients right from the start. After only 5 days, the seeds have now germinated and grown into healthy young plants that I will plant in a larger area. After planting, I put water in the bottle so that the wick can absorb water from the inside out to the soil, keeping the soil moist and the plant able to grow. This is the stage when the tree begins to take root. I will dig a layer of soil on top to help the tree not be compacted. To provide nutrients for the plant, I put worm castings directly into the roots to help the plant absorb them faster. Then I put a layer of soil on top to keep the fertilizer from washing away and to help the plant stand more firmly. Now I will put water in the bottle to keep the plant moist at all times. During this stage, the tree grows very healthy. I continue to dig a layer of topsoil to prevent weeds from growing and to help loosen the soil. I put granular fertilizer at the base of the tree to help it grow better. The granular fertilizer is taken from goat manure and is very nutritious. Then I will put a layer of soil on top to help the compost dissolve quickly and keep the plant standing more firmly. Rice husks make the soil loose and retain moisture very well, so I will spread a layer of rice husks on top. Plants always need moisture to grow, so I will provide water for the plants. At this stage, the plant is providing nutrients for flowers and fruits, so I put worm castings at the base of the plant to help the plant absorb nutrients and provide them to flowers and fruits, helping the plant produce more fruits. This is the stage where worms and fungi invade very quickly, so I will take chopped shallots mixed with water and spray on the plants. Onions are very effective in repelling worms and preventing fungi. It's amazing that after only 50 days, my tree has produced a lot of ripe fruit. Now I will pick and design delicious dishes. Tomatoes eaten raw are also very beautiful for the skin. Please subscribe to the channel, leave comments below the video, and visit my channel often. Thank you very much. Thank you for visiting my video. Have a nice day.